If you're looking for an AI app that you can use to create maybe video effects and maybe link sync your images, make your images speak, today I'm going to take you through the Vivago AI. Okay, they have an app. It's kind of really looks simple. The app looks like that, and also they have a website where you can actually log in and do whatever you want to do. So for me, I feel it's the website really gives me really more power to see everything that I want to do. The app looks like this. It has discover templates. So the AI kind of gives you different templates to do your image generation. Maybe you want cats to dance, babies to dance. You can be anything. So they kind of give you templates that you can kind of use and you know uh, do whatever you want. Maybe you want to dance like this girl. I think it's called Impresso. You can try to select it, then you use your image.
Girl eating ice cream.
Simple as that. You don't really need even to have a script. You don't have to know how to make a script to do that. Okay. So the app has some ads. That's why actually I prefer to use a website, because the website you don't really see actually lots of video ads. Okay. So I think let me try to take you through for the website. They have Discover, AI video, they have AI image. So when you go to the AI video, it looks simple like that. You just actually have to upload whatever you want. They have upload or select from assets. So you can just upload. Then when your image is here, you can try to code whatever you want, maybe dance or do whatever you want. Okay, we're going to see if you want to use a template. Okay, so for the video section is as simple as that. All right. You can also use a reference to a video, meaning you can actually upload a video. Then you try to describe the shot to look like that video. That is something kind of cool. Not every AI actually can do that. So in other words, you can generate a video from an existing video. Kind of cool, okay? So there's text/image to video. So even if you don't have a picture, you can just type here. If you have an image, you can upload it and then you write your prompt here. If you have an existing video, you can upload it from here. So they have reference to video. Okay, so there is also AI image. Simple, you can just upload an image here. Maybe you can just describe what you want to, that image to, what you want. You can just describe maybe a cat on a tree and then it will be generated. Or you can upload an existing picture, then you write something on that here so that you generate another image from that image. Okay. If you want a portrait image, you can upload maybe whatever the image that you want, then you write a prompt to generate a portrait. So it's easier to generate a portrait because most people in other apps, they're always actually struggling to kind of convert an horizontal picture to a portrait. So here you just have to go to the option of AI portrait. All right. Now, depending on what you want, you can just upload the picture here, what you want to use as a portrait. Then you write the command here, or you can just write anything what you want to generate. Then it will be generated in portrait format. Portrait looks like it's more of a vertical. Okay. By default, actually, the AI gives you like 30 credits to use. I think we're going to use it for something. Let me find what I can use the 30 credits for. It has also a section for AI chat. You can actually do some chat here. What will you want us to do? What will we create today? So you can try to chat with it, okay, and do some stuff. So it has an AI chat functionality somewhere, okay, so something like that. And there is this one, I never used it before. There's lip syncing. So if you want to make an image, maybe talk or something, you can try to upload an image, then you write what you want that image to say, then that is it. Your image will speak the words that you have written. So let me try to select maybe an existing image from here. But if you have yours, you can upload it. So here are the words. You can say, hello everyone, I'm your AI. Okay, so here you can give it whatever you want it to say. Let me say, I'm using my 30 credits for this. So okay, so let me say this. Oops. I think I have not enough credit to do maybe this, okay? Let me try to see, because I wanted to use my credits for something. Okay, I think that is it. You have to make sure there are not so many. Okay, the limit is, I think, I'm using my 30 credits for this, okay. So add a speech, you can try to select, maybe there is Mike, there's Jason, there's Lisa, there's Amy. Let me have that. There's a speech. I'm using my 30 there's a speech rate. Do you want him to speak faster? I think you can leave it at 1 times. They're going to charge me like 100 credits. I don't have 100 credits. So I guess the 30 default credits that they give you, you can't really produce this. But if you have those 100 credits, you can just click on generate. Then it will be generated. But I don't really have enough credits. But that's how you do the lip syncing in Vivago AI. It's simple as that. If you have your own image, you can always actually try to upload your own image. You can always delete this. If you have your own image, you can click here to upload your own image. Click and you upload your own image. So that's what I can say about the Vivago, but it's kind of really cool. The bad thing about Vivago, just as you know, like everything has a bad and a good side. The bad side is most of the people, when you look at the review sites, they're complaining about the time it takes to generate the videos. When you go to Trust Parrot, you realize actually most of the complaints are related to how slow the video generation is. Okay, if you pro version, you have to wait like only like 1 video, create 3 hours or more. I bought this and it's very long. Wait, better to subscribe another, something like that. I think that's one of the bad thing about Vivango, but generally it's not that bad, okay? But just as you know, like everything has a bad and a good side, right? So that's what I can say about Vivango. You can do all your own research, but generally it can really help you to do a lot of stuff. I love the lip syncing, and I also love generating the images. Generating the image, the videos from a reference video. That is something which I didn't have in other AI video generation apps. Okay, let me know what you think about Vivango, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.